select file, new, select part and select OK. So this is the second exercise. So this is the front view, and this is the top view, and this is the right side view. So in front view, it is given as, we can see length and height. So length is, total length of the part is 125 mm, height of the part is 60 mm, width of this part is 90 mm. So first we have to draw one rectangular sketch. Okay, first we have to draw one rectangle and make the dimensions as length as 125, height as 60. So first of all, select sketch, take rectangle command, from origin point draw one rectangle. So from here we can take dimension or right click, we will find a dimension command. Here length is 125 mm, height is 60 mm. So height of the rectangle is 60 mm, length of the rectangle is 125 mm. So after making the dimension, select isometric view, take extruded boss base command. Here total width is 90 mm, total width is 90 mm. So here enter 90 mm and select OK. In the figure you can see it is cutted in the shape of steps. Okay, it is cut in the shape of steps. So we have to select the right plane or right face, then we have to draw one sketch. Okay, we have to draw one sketch in the shape of this. Okay, draw one vertical line, horizontal line, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal and vertical in this right face. Select right face followed by right view, select sketch, take line command. In previous exercise I have informed you that regarding this line command. So wherever you start the line command, the same starting point should be the ending point. Starting point should be the ending point. From left corner I am starting this sketch. Draw one horizontal line, vertical line, again one horizontal, vertical, horizontal, and then join to the starting point. Join to the starting point. Make dimension, height is 20 mm. Height is 20 mm. See here, height is 20 mm and this height is also 20 mm. Enter 20. Again select this vertical line, make it as 20. Next, see here, this is 30 mm and this is also 30 mm. Select this horizontal line, make the dimension as 30. Again this horizontal line, make it as 30. Now select isometric view. Now we have to cut this part. We have to cut this part. Okay. Here you can see we have to cut this portion. Okay. Now select extruded cut. Select extruded cut command. So how much we have to cut? Means how much we have to give the dimension. Here total length of the part is 125 mm and here leftover part is 45 mm. So we have to minus 45 in 125 mm. 125 minus 45. Select OK. Okay, this is the final part. Next, make dimension. Select dimension or right click and select dimension. Okay, select dimension. Do the dimension as per given in the manual. Okay, first it has been mentioned total length from this edge to this edge, left edge to right edge 125, from top edge to bottom edge make it as it is 60, from left to right edge take it as it is 90. Okay, next this is 30 and this is also 30 mm. This is 20 and this is also 20. Okay, these are the dimensions. Okay, next go to file, save, exercise 2, select save. Next, new, select drawing, sheet format to use. This dialog box will display. In this select no sheet format. We have to give the paper size. So in which paper we are going to take the printout, or in which size paper we are going to make the drawings. Okay, select A4 landscape, select OK. Okay, now select, this is the drawing toolbar. Okay, this is the drawing toolbar. In drawing toolbar we use predefined view and standard 3 view. Select predefined view, place it on the bottom right corner, select isometric and insert model. In insert model, browse, this is exercise 2, I have given as MCAT exercise 2. Select open and select OK. Select OK. So this must be inside this margin, but it is outside the margin. Click here and drag the object, or here select, after selecting this, select custom scale. Here we can reduce the size of scale. It is 1:1, we will give it as 1:1.2. Now the size of the object is reduced. Okay, next go for standard 3 views. Click on this box. Okay, click within this box. I have selected here, select OK. So this is the side view, front view and top view of this object. Okay, now go to insert model items and select OK. So these are the dimensions displayed here. Okay, now which are not necessary you can delete them and place it properly. So in our drawing it is not mentioned 80, so it is mentioned as 45. From here to here it is 45, so make it 45. Next, go for note, click here, enter the text as this is front view, name it as front view. This is top view. This is side view. And this is isometric view. This is isometric view. Okay, this is exercise 2. Okay, now select OK. So this completes your second exercise.